Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, February 19th. The essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is called Playing Small. And of course, we're going to do a reflection around it after I read it. Sharon Price says, "There will never be an us if I play small." There will never be an us if I play small. In Dante's Divine Comedy, the only difference between the lovers who find themselves enduring hell and the lovers working their way through paradise is that those in hell have no individual center, and so they spin in endless identification with each other. Hard as it is, we cannot shrink from our relationships, or we simply become an audience or gopher for the dominant partner or friend. Like most of us, I have struggled with this my whole life, fearful with what might happen if I actually voice my concerns and needs, surprised that doing so, while not always easy or pleasant, always enables me to be fully myself. Then, not by chance, I am always more able to feel and see the world around me. I bring more to the scene, and I am revitalized more readily by my daily experience. The great philosopher Martin Buber, who believed that God is most deeply known through relationship, spoke to the heart of this paradox. He said that before there can be a true relationship, there must be two separate beings who can relate. Most of our life experience bears this out. Unless we work to be ourselves, we can never truly know others or the beautiful world we live in. Unless we work to be ourselves, we can never truly know others or the beautiful world we live in. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath is natural, nice and soft. See if you can find a sense of freedom, a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to recall a situation in which you felt small, insignificant, less than. As you do this, scan your body and notice how it feels. What is actually happening in your body during this reflection? What's happening in your mind, your heart? What are the physical sensations, thoughts, and emotions that come up for you when you feel small? Allow your breath to be a reminder that you are always here. You don't disappear, even if sometimes it feels this way, when you feel small, insignificant. You're always here. You're always able to access yourself more fully. So as you breathe in, really know that you're breathing in. And as you breathe out, really know that you're breathing out. You can even say it to yourself as you breathe. Breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. Breathing out, I know I am breathing out. And continue like this for the next few cycles of breath. Knowing that you're breathing in, knowing that you're breathing out. Always here, never disappearing. As you inhale, realize that the expansion of your spirit is what knows the world. And if the feeling of being small, insignificant, less than, disappearing returns, inhale slowly and present yourself again to all that is around you. I'll be silent for about a minute to let you experience this expansion of spirit as you breathe without distraction of my voice. Now place your hands on your heart and as always send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I remember that I'm always here. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you let go of your practice, scan your body. Notice what is going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day to day, whenever you notice that you feel small, less than, insignificant, I invite you to pause, inhale slowly, remind yourself, when I'm breathing in, I know I'm breathing in. When I'm breathing out, I know I'm breathing out. I am always here. And present yourself again to all that is around you as you, a little bit more fully yourself. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.